Hi guys, Matt here, and today I quickly want to walk you through setting up Cloudflare with your domain. If you don't already have an account, click that sign up button and sign up for an account, making sure to set up two-factor authentication as this is an account that you want to be pretty secure. Otherwise, if you do have an account, press that login button, and once logged in, press the new site button on the top bar. On this page, you want to put in the domain that you are setting up with Cloudflare. For this tutorial, I'm using the domain eatupapp.com. And then press that Add Site button, which will take you to the next screen. While you're doing some of the other settings, Cloudflare will go to your current hosting provider and pull your current DNS setup into its system. You don't have to worry about that for the minute. We'll go to that later. Next, just press the next button and Cloudflare offers 4 plans. These other ones are if you're kind of running a more advanced site with either an online store or getting more traffic or something more than just a WordPress blog. But for the time being, just select this $0 a month one. It will most likely cover everything you're going to be doing. Just confirm that this is the one you want, press the button, and well, you should probably read the terms and conditions, but just press the continue button and it will take you to the next page. On this page, we can see our existing DNS setup that Cloudflare has pulled from our domain name provider. If this all looks good, just press the continue button and it will apply those settings to the Cloudflare DNS. The final thing we need to do is add these name servers for the Cloudflare DNS to our existing hosting provider. For this example, I'm using Namecheap, and you just have to log into your profile, then click your domain, click the Manage Domain button, and here on the front page, we want to scroll down to this settings, change it to Custom DNS, and then put those 2 name servers in there. Once that's done, we can just press the Save button, and Namecheap will change the DNS name servers from pointing to their DNS to pointing to Cloudflare's DNS. After we've done this, we can just press continue and it will take us to the Cloudflare homepage. As you can see, it says our DNS changes haven't propagated out through the name servers yet. So just click that button, it will recheck it, and it will take about 10-15 minutes for that to propagate across. And this is how the homepage will appear once it has successfully propagated across. The final thing we want to set up is a security feature you will find under the DNS tab, and that is DNSSEC. This is a security protocol that prevents other people from pretending to be your domain's DNS server. So the instructions for setting this up vary by your hosting provider, but luckily Cloudflare has this document here which will walk you through, or at least link you to the instructions for each type of provider. Now I'm doing it with Namecheap, so if we find that in the list, we can see the instructions for how they tell us to set it up, which luckily is quite simple. We just go back to our management portal, tab on Advanced DNS, wait for it to load for a couple of seconds, and right there we have DNSSEC turned off. We just turn it on, and then we go between the Namecheap website and the Cloudflare website, copying across the various values. First, the key tag, we copy it from Cloudflare, paste it in here, select the algorithm we're going to use. As you can see, we're using algorithm 13, so we just select it from this drop down here. Do the same with the digest type, which is here. Go across, select it from the drop down, and finally the digest key itself, which is a unique key for your domain. So we just copy it from the Cloudflare website, paste it in the text field on the Namecheap website, and press the Save button. That will load for a couple of seconds, go up to Namecheap's servers, and while we're waiting for it to propagate, this message here will appear on the Cloudflare website. Once it's all successfully propagated across, we will get this message here, which I quickly scrolled away from. And we are ready to use Cloudflare to manage our DNS records, as well as protect our website with their Cloudflare proxy service. To turn that on and off for your various A records, just click that button there with the cloud, either the arrow going through the Cloudflare cloud or around it, which is the gray one. And of course, you can change all your records as I just showed quickly there. So there you have it. You have your domain all set up on Cloudflare to get the advantages of both their proxy service to both secure your website, get a bit of a performance boost, as well as a DNS server that propagates considerably more quickly than your domain provider's one and provides you with a lot more features than most domain providers give you for free. If you found this video useful, please like the video. It helps out a lot with YouTube's algorithms and stuff. And if you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe to the channel. I'm putting stuff out. I'm going to try and put more stuff out at the moment. I haven't done it if you actually look at the channel, in probably about a year. So I'm hoping to put more useful content out over the next couple of weeks. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you found this useful.